So I'll have to look at the name of this place on my way out, but I was just climbing up this dead tree, just getting a view of the river, and then I noticed that. So if anyone wants a kayak, I'll put this up on my YouTube page with the coordinates, and you can come get it. It's just right off the ramp there. It's been pretty dry, obviously, most of the year, so come and get it while it's still low. I might try and figure some way to get it, but I'm not so sure that I want to walk through this. So this was already bad enough of an idea. Yeah, just a kayak just hanging out.